I'm done with that one. Now, speaking to the issue that where a girl child has a child and then the guy runs away. We see now many girls are having children and yet they are unmarried. It shouldn't be that way. Now you as a girl, how are you giving your body to a guy who hasn't married you yet? Now the wife that I married, she knew very well that if I come home with anything that I've bought and I give it to her, she says no, keep your money and marry me. So you girls nowadays, what's giving you to get pregnant? They are buying things for you that they're not even getting your parents there for you. You are being taken to hotels. You are being treated. It's like these guys are fishing for you and using bait. The bait at the end of the fishing hook is not for love of the fish, because you want to eat the fish. Now that's not mercy, that's not grace. Because if he's to ask for something, you